Trading a bad money habit, shopping highs, for a great money habit, saving highs. After watching this video, you'll know how to trade a bad money habit, shopping highs, for a great money habit, saving highs. Hi, my name is Rip, and hopefully you're getting some value from my videos. If so, before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe, it sure would help me out, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos, and hopefully that would help you out. Let's begin, shall we? In my Trapped in a Lifestyle Loop video, I explained how we get trapped in the lifestyle loop. I followed that up with Breaking Free from the Lifestyle Loop video, in which I explained the one single action that you can immediately start doing to break free from the lifestyle loop. Lifestyle loop, shopping highs, saving highs. I've made up some phrases to make it easier to explain some of the situations, mindsets, and strategies that I want to share with you, hoping that they will help you to better understand what I mean. A lot of today's financial terms have become tainted, evolving from what they once meant to become meaning something else. For example, invest. Webster's defines invest as to commit money in order to earn a financial return. Okay, that sounds reasonable, right? But I define today's tainted version of the word invest as to commit money to a financial professional in order to lose use of and access to it and have to pay fees and taxes on it and potentially lose all of it. That sounds more accurate to what I think the definition of the word invest is now in this day and age. Webster's also defines invested as to make use of for future benefits or advantages. Our invested money is being made use of by who? Not us. We gave up the use of our money when we invested it. What are the future benefits or advantages for us? No idea. All the investment disclosures we sign clearly state that all could be lost. So why does everyone say that you should invest, and what exactly do they mean by that? As you can tell, I am trying to be very careful when I choose words to use, especially if the words are financial ones. Our society is driven to keep us purchasing and spending more and more of our money. They obviously don't like us to keep or save it. Have you noticed that banks are changing our checking account name to now be called spending accounts? How about the fact that checking account, spending account statements, get generated every 30 days, but saving account statements only get generated every 90 days? Why? Do they not want us reconciling our saving accounts but every 3 months? Saving money is so difficult because as humans, we crave the sensation of instant gratification. It is actually wired in the human DNA. Companies know this and try to exploit this in us, making it easier and easier for us to purchase from them. I can see there being chips put into our heads. All I have to do is think about purchasing something and it'll be dropped by drone minutes later to us. Purchasing gives us the sensation of instant gratification, a shopping high, let's call it. We like the feeling of the shopping high and we keep chasing it. Unfortunately, as we can observe from the general financial direction of our society, we cannot keep chasing shopping highs. It's a really bad habit. I recently learned that it is easier to replace a bad habit with a good habit than it is to just quit the bad habit. To further complicate this situation, we are dealing with wiring in our DNA and the craving of the sensation of instant gratification. I'd like to propose a gentle shift. What if when we are looking at something to purchase, rather than feed this bad habit of chasing the shopping high, what if we use that same amount of money to add it to our saving account and create a saving high? You really have to work at trading a bad money habit like chasing shopping highs for a great money habit like chasing saving highs, as most of us are already locked in the grips of the shopping high. Eileen and I were. Remember I shared that as we switched from making ourselves broke by overpaying loans and started accumulating money by only paying the absolute minimums, it just felt really good. Well, after that just felt really good feeling was our saving high. I did not know that at that time. No one wants to hear or be told stop spending money on non-essential items, but most people know in their hearts that is what they need to do. So I try very hard not to ever say that. I do think of ways that would bring about an awareness to people and let them come to their own conclusions. So I'd like to introduce you to another new phrase, loop number. Join me next time when I'll dive into what loop number is and how knowing this number will help you both break free of the lifestyle loop and help you start or enhance your savings highs. Hope this helps. Thanks for stopping by.